Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper of Tuesday, October the 8th, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So one regular puzzle is left, the JigSaw Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. And the news of today, well, I've told you earlier. Johan Neeskens, Johan Secundo, passed away. Yeah, a famous soccer player. Played together with Johan Cruyff. Yes, Johan Cruyff, the first. Johan, this is Johan the second. Famous player in that period, yes, in that time. 73 years old, yeah. Alright, this one, 9399. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. And it's indicated with 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle. We need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Yeah, but I don't think it's a 3 stars. I think it's whether a 0 stars or 1 star puzzle. For a 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 30 minutes, and for 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. Well, we'll see if this is a 0, a 1 or a 3 stars puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes in this puzzle. How about triple boxes? I see only 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box should be here. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always a 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, alright. More triple boxes? Nope. How about quarter boxes? I see here a quarter box, there a quarter box, and here a quarter box in the L shape. When you see a quarter box in the L shape, remember that the box, the inside box, this is this box, inside box is always a 5. And the other numbers could be everywhere here. Okay. Here also a quarter box. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another quarter box. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. More quarter boxes? No. Then, oh no, here we have a quarter box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Well, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember, rotated that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 here. In that case, it should be a 4 and a 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be so a 4. Alright. T-shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. No, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. 2 of them. Then the last shape, I believe, is this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadrat box supposed to be there, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this quadrat box for number 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then this box can be 3, this box can be 2. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then, let me see. Yeah. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Yeah. Let me think. Go up. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is connected with that box, so 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2, 1 and 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and 2. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. This box can be a 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadrat box supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be, and 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be 3. This box can be 4. So 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be, and 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadrat L shape should be the 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be, and a 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 there, so this can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, so 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be, and a 5 goes there. And then these 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape supposed to be here. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. Is connected with that box super, so 3. Then, let me see. This box gave me 5, that box gave me 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape, supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2, and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because give me 1, should be 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5, yes, definitely 2, and the final number in this area. For the number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 10 minutes, well, that's a quick one to solve. Definitely a 0 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Tuesday.